Srila Gurudev, yesterday you were stressing the necessity of Vaidhi Bhakti, even if someone is trying to approach Raganuga Bhakti. And you were telling that many persons, they're not following Vaidhi Bhakti, but yet they want to have the Raganuga Bhakti. But what about those persons who, they're following Vaidhi Bhakti, but they always want to hear Rasakatha? They're doing chanting, they're following all principles.
To have a greed, very good.
Yeah.
Really very good. High class of thing. Krishna Mati Bhavita Tatta Laulamya Pramuphalam Janma Sukriti na labhyate. It is all right. I was saying that this greed is very good, high class. But really that greed is there or not?
Yes.
And it will come when, then at once he will be qualified like Ruchi.
Yeah.
It will become from Ruchi, not from Saddha.
Yeah. Yes.
This is qualification. And then he will, this is the qualification. If this is not there, and we see that he is very telling that I have so much greed for Raganuga Bhakti, Ragatmika Bhakti. And she is only speaking on this subject to all. And after we see that he is entangled in a lady and he left everything. Where is that Ruchi? So we should be careful. If Lord has come, he will not disclose everything. I have Lord, I have Lord. He will not disclose.
You told if somebody has some
inside and outside he will follow Vaidhi Bhakti thing, and internally he will do. Like Raghunath Das Goswami.
And you told if somebody has billions of dollars or euro, he'll not tell I have so much billions of dollars, he'll not tell to others. Try to hide.
But also suppose that there is a person, he admits, he tells, no, I don't have greed, but I want greed, so I want to hear only Rasakatha because it is the process for getting this
He
greed.
should also hear Gita, Uddhav Sambhad and others.
Siddhanta.
Krishna has told all these things. And in Chaitanya Amritamrit it has been written.
সিদ্ধান্ত বলিয়া চিত্তে না কর রস যা হইতে কৃষ্ণ লাগে সুদৃঢ় মানস
By this, that Raganuga Bhakti will be more strong.